Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to add note or comment in Google Sheet. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop I just open Chrome browser and I just open Google Sheets. So this is my sheet which has a student's mark list and the percentage, everything will be there. So these are my students list over here and this is my students percentage. So I just want to add the comments so that the people can able to see, means they can able to see the comments. So there will be a share option. I can share with my colleagues, I share with my subject teachers so that they can understand what the comments they have given. So how to insert the comments in each and every column or entire table or entire row, what I have to do here. So where you want to add the comment, just select the particular cell over here, just go to insert menu and you will find an option called comments, so that you can find out the comments over here, or just go to view menu and just click comments. There will be a show all comments will be there and hide and minimize comments will be there. Just click show all comments. There will be no comments over here in this sheet. I just want to add the comments. I just click here to add the comment. So once I click here, automatically wherever I selected the cell there will be a thing. So I just want to add his name, so Arun Andrew like that, or Arun John. I just enter the name, it's a correction, and I just add the name over here. So as you see here, and his mark 2 is an increase the marks. So what if you do here, just go to add comment for you, just click for you and add comments over here. So the mark is around 76, so they have mentioned 66, so I just entered into 76. So wherever I have add the comment, there will be a yellow box over there on the top. So while you move into the cursor on the column, automatically the comment will be displayed over here as you see here. So for example, I just want to add mark 2 for the Ashley's comments. Just go to for you and add the comments. So I just want to increase the mark, or I can't give the comments over here so that the comment will be added over here. So the name is wrong means I can give this name is wrong. I just add the comment over here. So I just want to add the comment as you see here. Yeah. So similarly, I can go through the comment, entire comments will be there, so I can go through the comments. So these are the comments method, so that all sheet, and if I want to select the entire sheet and give the comments over here, so I just add the comment for the entire sheet, give the color green or something else I can give. So entire sheet, add the comments over here so that the sheets will have the comments over here. So give green color, so wherever I go everything will be displayed over here. Simple and easiest tip over here. So I just want to hide the comments, just go to view menu and comments and just click hide comments. Automatically every comments will be hidden over here so that the clean sheet will be there. So if you want to see the comments, you just go to the view menu, comments, view comments, or show all comments means comments will be displayed over here. So this is the simple and easiest way to create a Google Sheet. If you want to collaborate with any other people, means you can give the comment, they can give the comment, you can finish the comment and you can work on peacefully. So share and collaborate using Google Sheet and work easily. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my Harvard channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.